Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Tech Matters. I'm Richie Rich, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Google Home Mini. Now, this one is the charcoal color. So what's included with the Google Home Mini is the AC power adapter, which is required to power the unit. Also required but not included is the Wi-Fi network and an Android or iOS mobile device. This will work with Philips Hue, Nest, Wemo, Google Chromecast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube. So this is small and mighty. The Google Home Mini, it's powered by the Google Assistant. You can ask it questions, tell it to do things. It says here it's never been easier to get hands-free help in any room. Lots of stuff you can do here. You can also make hands-free phone calls to place calls to family, friends, local businesses using your voice. So pretty cool. You could use it as a speakerphone and dial calls directly from the Google Home Mini. So you can start by saying, "Okay Google," and ask Google some questions like where's the nearest flower shop, call Jane's Flowers, etc. Okay, let's unbox it. Looks like there's a little pull tab. And there it is. Rubbery pad here. Maybe a mute button. Let's see what that does. Micro USB in there. Nice canvasy material. Get started. Plug it in, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store. Okay. So know your Google Mini. Okay. And it's a cool looking power adapter. Very long. That is it. That's all you really need right there. So now I have it set up, plugged in. Okay, so that'll raise or lower the volume. Right back here.
The mic's off. The mic's back on.
Hey Google, tell me about yourself.
I'm your Google Assistant, a new way to talk to Google.
Hey Google, what are some things you can do?
Here are some suggestions. You can say, play Supergirl on CW on Shield. Or watch Stranger Things from Netflix on Shield. Do you want a couple more ideas?
Yes.
Here are some more things to try. You can say, when is sunset in London? Or play Criminal Minds on Shield. Want some more?
Yes.
You can say, what's in the science news? Or where is my first meeting this weekend? To see more examples, check out the Google Home app.
Okay Google, what time is it?
12:01.
Hey Google, can you remind me to take the dog out in 20 minutes?
Alright, today at 12:26 p.m. To get these reminders on an iPhone, download the Google Assistant app.
Hey Google, can you remind me to let the dog back in 25 minutes?
Sure, I'll remind you today at 12:31 p.m.
Hey Google, can you set an alarm at 2 p.m. today?
Alright, your alarm's set for 2 p.m.
Hey Google, how does my calendar look this week?
Okay, Richie, there are 2 things tomorrow, The first one is at 8:45 a.m. and its title is Mari at Mom's at 2:30. The second is at 9:30 a.m. with the title Off.
Okay, Google, how's the weather like today?
In Lancaster today, there'll be snow showers with a forecasted high of 18 and a low of -1. It's currently 17 with snow showers. There is currently a wind chill warning in effect.
Hey Google, how are you doing today?
I'm feeling pretty chill. Since the weather is cooling down in many parts of the country, it's a good time to stay warm indoors and dig up some fun winter facts. I learned that the record for the largest snowflake is 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick.
Hey Google, can you rap?
I can rhyme. I even have an original poem I've been working on. An ode to search. I love to search, I cannot lie. I'll search it all, I am not shy. Search for pictures, search for pie. I search, at least I try.
Hey Google, how long will it take me to get to the airport?
With light traffic, it will take you 5 minutes to drive to Buffalo Lancaster Regional Airport. You can see the full directions on your phone.
Okay Google, can you play some top 40 music?
Alright, here's the Spotify playlist called Top 40 Hits.
Who are you to say that I didn't love you? 'Cause I didn't love the way you wanted it. And who am I to blame? Reminisce all the way down.
Okay Google, stop. Hey Google, what's the square root of pi?
On the website physicsforums.com, they say, Fourier Jr., the square root of pi can't be constructed with straight edge and compass because pi is transcendental. It's possible to construct or arrive at the square root of an irrational number that isn't transcendental though.
Hey Google, what's 4 times 51 divided by 3 plus 1?
The answer is 69.
Okay. Well, this is pretty cool. Now let's check out some helpful tips. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Mobile Tech Matters. And remember, your mobile tech matters to me.
Oh, shout.